This is the all-new FLEXI2bend. I'm Aaron.
I'm Kevin.
Kevin, can you tell us a little bit about the new machine?
Well, we're standing in front of the 4 meter, but it is also available in a 3 meter length, which is able to form up to 11 gauge with segmented tooling.
Segmented tooling, why would that be important?
Segmented tooling is important when you're doing more than just profiles, but also it's universal. So unlike a press brake where you have to change the punch and the die shape, you're just sliding the tooling back and forth to set the gap.
So speaking of press brakes, our back gauge is different than what most customers are used to seeing on a press brake. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, so it's actually a gauge table so that the back gauges pop up and the operator places the material on the work surface, which typically translates from a 2-man operation to a 1-man operation.
Okay, great. So what industries do we typically see the FLEXI2bend in?
Really anywhere that you would use a traditional press brake, from an HVAC unit on the roof to the roof itself, down to the stainless appliances in the kitchen, the server racks in the computer room, and even the NEMA boxes on the wall.
Great. You mentioned stainless steel. How is the machine for more sensitive materials like stainless steel or copper?
Well, the bending process is different than a 3-point bending system on a press brake. So as it follows material around the radius, you're minimizing marks, so it lends itself very well to anything that where cosmetics are important.
Very good. Okay. So we have lots of customers out there with the original FLEXI2bend. What should they expect to be new on the FLEXI2bend?
Well, the first thing they're going to notice is the Bendex control, which is a really nice user interface. You could draw parts on the shop floor or import 3D models to have them auto-program. You can also tie into the MRP or ERP system.
What else is new about the machine?
We've updated the drives, motors, and other components to meet modern capability and safety standards, which results in better repeatability, reliability, and easier maintenance. The machine also comes with snap tools, which makes it much easier to get out parts with return bends.
How about the crowning system? That's been a favorite feature on the original FLEXI2bend.
The crowning system is also tied into the new Bendex software, which makes adjustment much easier.